Hi, I'm Abhimanyu, Head of Content at Brandintellé, and this mobile app screen is what your vendor or handler will see when they are going to the location of your BTL activity so that they can take pictures and 10-second videos and send you the geo-tagged and timestamped proof of the activities. They can immediately get a quick glance of the stages of the different site visits that are allocated for them to execute. Active would be everything that's allocated to them. Planned would be those activities that have a start date and an end date defined. Expired would be in which the current date is beyond the end date. So the time has elapsed and those site visits have expired. And the fourth category here is what's completed. The ones for which the proofs of the activity have been logged in the system before the end date of the planned activity. Let's start by going into the active tab. The vendor can immediately select the activities by location. The due dates, due in 3 days, due in 5 days, and so on, are mentioned over here on the right. So they will understand immediately what is important and urgent to execute. Let's say, for example, they want to visit the foot overbridge site. This is an indicative image, but they will be able to see images of the creative so that they can match what was the creative to be added on that billboard or hoarding or stall. Below this in the center, the vendor can see the address for where that site is. And if they click get directions, it opens up on maps. Once they reach the site, it just takes 2 steps for them to execute. They'll need to upload photos or 10-second videos of that BTL activity. I'm going to show you an example of a billboard. These are some instructions to get the pictures as per the required standard. So here's how the vendor would do it. So let's say that's the hoarding. On the top right, you can immediately see that the image that the vendor has taken is geotagged and timestamped. And because of this, you know that they've taken the image in real time. Also, you know this image is tamper-proof because it's not coming into your system from the gallery of the vendor's phone. It's coming straight from the Brandintellé app and from the camera app of the phone. You have 4 photos. On to the next step now. Next, the vendor needs to take a selfie. Click take photos, take your selfie. And there you can see again on the top right, there's location and time stamping. And these details go directly from your Brandintellé app and your phone's camera into your system and your dashboards. Accept the conditions and swipe to finish. That's it. Task completed successfully and the vendor has their updated dashboard.